Good morning, and may I introduce to you all MIT Dynamic Solutions. We're a new Cisco Solutions partner, and we're delighted to be working with Cisco and all their solutions partners. We at MIT are a UK-based software development and professional services company, and we're working with Cisco to assist in increasing the numbers of user migrations to HCS by simplifying and reducing the complexity of the data extraction and the migration process through the automation of data discovery, transformation, and orchestration. In everything we do, our end-to-end process is repeatable, therefore delivering predictable results. From capturing data from legacy voice platforms through to the migration of a new user to the HCS, our processes are automated, intuitive, and easy to use. They deliver dramatic results by reducing time to cache for all voice migrations. Given the sharp upturn in UC adoptions, UCentric complements the finite resources within a Cisco Solutions partner and increases their profit margin through tooling automation. UCentric can extract data from all legacy voice platforms, peripherals, gateways, and third-party products, and rapidly transform that data for user migrations to HCS. This end-to-end process can be delivered by MIT as a managed service, and it can also be used by Cisco Solutions partners themselves under an annual software license. UCentric has the flexibility to audit all voice vendors in the most appropriate methodology, ranging from backups, remote access, and on-site software deployments. In all these scenarios, MIT will provide the solutions partners with full support and professional services. The more migrations you do, the more you learn how to improve the process next time around. Time to cache is critical, and so eliminating the issues before they occur is critical to success. Projects rarely start on time, or complete on time if captured data is incomplete or inaccurate. Having the ability to collect the data yourselves, including the ability to audit throughout the migration process, builds trust, confidence, and satisfaction with clients, meaning you're less reliant on them and more in control yourselves. Advising the client that a lengthy change freeze is necessary isn't the right motivator for success, whilst advising the client they can continue making business as usual changes is a far more positive experience for them. You'll see from the results that UCentric generates that it captures data from everything and everywhere. A high-level design document accurately provides configuration and capacity, plus insights and compatibilities, allows you a far better data validation experience with the client, and an accurate starting point for each project. The low-level design migration plan shows all relevant user data and allows for a seamless migration with maximum continuity of service for every user. All major legacy voice platforms are covered in UCentric's capabilities, so no matter which voice vendor the data is captured from, the results are always transformed into a consistent format, meaning that you don't require any specific knowledge of voice systems that you may be unfamiliar with. Should data be required to be captured in other formats or from other sources, our DevOps delivery processes can rapidly add additional decoders, and response times are measured in hours and days rather than weeks and months. UCentric then has the capability and flexibility to orchestrate any legacy voice data into the most appropriate HCS provisioning formats used by Cisco Solutions partners. We will complement existing partners' preferred provisioning formats, tools, databases, or processes to remove any delays and to speed up user provisioning to HCS. We've recently developed the capability of taking a Cisco BATS backup, or an audit from any other vendor, and automatically create a fresh BATS backup, which can then be restored into a new HCS solution. And this means that you could effectively migrate directly to an HCS instance in just a few hours. Everything is much clearer and easier to understand when the data is represented and visualized, meaning that many more informed decisions can be made to eliminate potential issues by removing unused assets that would use new licenses, preventing over-provisioning, maximizing user features, analyzing trends to predict likely outcomes. MIT have assisted in the migration of over 2 million users and have built up a vast knowledge base of intelligence to support the use of tooling and automation. Our professional services can advise on the best approach to a data capture process, which can cater for numerous legacy platforms of varying sizes, vendors, ages, and architecture, and will complement the expert skills and talents of all Cisco Solutions partners. Thank you for your time. And if anyone would like to know more about UCentric's voice migration capabilities, Mike and Paul would love to bring all of this to life in a webinar demonstration and discussion workshop. MIT have assisted in the migration of over 2 million users and have built up a vast knowledge base of intelligence to support the use of tooling and automation. Our professional services can advise on the best approach to a data capture process, which can cater for numerous legacy platforms of varying sizes, vendors, ages, and architecture, and will complement the expert skills and talents of all Cisco solutions partners.